Best TikTok video ideas. According to statistics, over 500 million people have become fans of watching 15 seconds of TikTok. But what exactly are they watching the most? Here are some of the best ideas for getting your videos in front of the most people possible. Lip sync video. Music is a source of inspiration throughout the world. It transports us, elevates our mood, and makes us dream. A song is also inspiring and drives you to create. Experiment with lip sync videos and let others see your performance. Video duets. Duet videos are very popular and are very popular among YouTubers as well as TikTok, so they could be used on multiple platforms. Open the video from where you want to create the duet. Touch the share icon and select duet, and now you can make the video you want. Pet videos. Who doesn't love pets? Most people have a bird or a beautiful cat or dog, and if you have a pet and you're a person who loves to make videos with them, then you could use this to your advantage. This tool will help you capture the best and most beautiful moments with them. Imitating other popular videos on social networks. If you want your videos to be popular, then you could choose the same or a similar type of video you've seen elsewhere to keep up with the trend. A great idea for a video to be in trend is to do it about an important event that is happening. Show your skills or special interests. For example, if you know how to cook, then make a video where you show yourself preparing a delicious meal. This could be used in many different areas. Improvised videos. Capture the moment that is happening right now. With TikTok, you can always be ready to record these unrepeatable moments. Travel videos. Lots of people travel around the world and record the panoramic views of where they are, and you can do the same. Whatever you decide to do, make sure you publish regularly. Try and publish your videos on TikTok once or twice a week. Connect with other influencers as they can help you improve your posts and get more followers. Share your videos on other social networks. This will increase your views, and you can also mention your TikTok profile link or your nickname on other social networks so you will get more followers. Try to show positive things in your videos. People don't tend to like negative videos as they want things that will brighten their day. Comment on the videos of others. By doing this, your videos will also receive more comments. You then respond to each comment made by your followers, and this builds their loyalty. Using these ideas will really help in your TikTok journey.